Hey there! If you ever tried to get better at anything, you should know that keeping track of your progress is one of the best ways to improve. Online, Google Analytics is a very useful tool that helps you track and understand your customers better. Here are a few things that you can discover about your website visitors with Google Analytics. What are my most popular pages? How many visitors have converted into leads and/or customers? What marketing strategies drive the most traffic to my website? Let me show you how to create a Google Analytics account. First, you need to make sure you have a Google account. If you don't have one, you have to create one. After you have the account created, you go to google.com/analytics and start the sign-in process. On the account details, add your account name. If you want to measure a website, click on the website option. And finally, on the property setup, you can add the rest of the information about your website. After this setup is done, you will get your tracking code and you have your basic Google Analytics. Before we add the information to your website, since in this case we are working with e-commerce, you should activate one option in Google Analytics. Click the admin in the bottom left corner. In the view column, click e-commerce settings. Then click enable e-commerce and enable enhanced e-commerce reporting. Now let's talk about how to add the Google Analytics tracking code into your Shopify store. You have to go to Online Store on the left and click Preferences. At the bottom, you will have a Google Analytics section where you need to add your Google Analytics tracking code. After that, click Save. Then go to the same spot in the page and check Use Enhanced E-commerce and click Save once again. And that's it. Now you can start tracking how your website performs. That was pretty easy to set up, right? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss other videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.